So tell me what you're doing right now, buddy.
And I'm building a puzzle.
Building a puzzle?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
I found another puzzle over here.
Yeah.
And I can find both around the table.
Mm-hmm. You see Thomas books?
Yeah.
Come over here. Come over
Could
here.
I have the Thomas book? Could I have it?
What do you mean, can you have it?
From...
You mean, do you want to look at it?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Um...
Ooh, big question. How many fingers does Daddy hold up right now?
3.
That's right. Good boy. And what time is it? What time does Santa come?
4 feet. There's a Clifford book and a Clifford book over there.
You're correct. Correctamundo.
Somebody read that. Clifford book.
I think somebody did. Do you want to read the Clifford book?
How about that Clifford book? That purple one.
The purple one? Let's take a look, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.